Hello, welcome to the video presentation. We'll be discussing how the technology emerged in the teaching foreign languages and how it has evolved over the years. In order to discuss the evolution of technology in teaching foreign languages, we should clearly define what we mean by technology. Technology may have different definitions. In this project, we will use our own definition. Technology will be referred as invention that has shaped the evolution of teaching foreign languages. The question is, should we include inventions like electricity? Well, we will not go that far. We'll talk about the evolutions of the main inventions that have shaped the way of teaching foreign languages and relate them to technology. We'll be talking about some of the classroom technology that has changed the approach of teaching foreign languages. The chalkboard, or also called the blackboard. It was created in 1890. This was actually a pretty big deal at one point. The classroom blackboard is one of the most radical inventions in education. The invention of the blackboard had an enormous impact on classroom effectiveness. The blackboard is relatively easy to use. The first form of blackboard has an ancient origin from the students in ancient Babylonia, where the lessons were written on clay tablets. Lessons could be erased or baked in order to have a permanent document. The first modern blackboard, which was a large piece of slate on the classroom wall, was invented in 1801 by James Pillans, headmaster and geography teacher at the Hall High School in Edinburgh, Scotland. The innovation was rapidly accepted worldwide. In the 19th century, almost every classroom had a blackboard in the USA. The blackboard remained identical until the green board was introduced in the 60s. Then the whiteboard appeared in the 80s. Now, let's talk about the introduction of film in teaching foreign languages. Films were introduced in classrooms in 1925. With the introduction of films in the classrooms, students had the chance to improve their listening and speaking skills. Before watching the movie, students can first discuss the plot with their classmates and the foreign teacher. Secondly, while watching the movie, students can be exposed to a variety of materials such as comprehension questions. Thirdly, the teacher can organize groups in order to give the students the opportunity to express their opinion in the foreign language learned. Furthermore, a written homework or assignment may be set asking students to describe their favorite characters or writing a film review. Language labs were created in the 40s. Language labs started to be used for the first time during World War II by the US military. High schools started to use them in the 60s. Students listened to native speakers on tape recording and imitated their correct pronunciation. Tape recording were replaced by video recording during the 80s. The Caprice series is a famous example of learning French language by watching videos of the daily life of teenagers in Paris. Now, let's talk about the overhead projector. The overhead projector was invented in 1960. The overhead projector has given the chance for the students to see materials presented to them in a bigger format than a traditional blackboard. It has also helped improving maintaining order in the classroom. Educational programming. Educational software's arrival approximately coincide with the arrival of personal computers in the 70s. The preferred way of distributing software was the CD-ROMs in the 90s. However, Internet rapidly took the lead of distributing software. Scantron was created in 1972. Scantron is an academic multiple-choice test questions with a machine called optical mark recognition or OMR. This machine is able to read the answers. It has helped simplifying correcting tests for English teachers. Scantron is used in English proficiency tests such as TOEIC. In the 1980s, computer devices were used as a device to boost the learning of foreign languages. It first started with simple vocabulary development programs, then was developed into full language programs that help foreign language teachers to improve the students' efficiency in learning. Smart Classroom was then referred as computers with videotapes and video disc network to provide effective language education. Distance learning appeared in the 90s. The apparition of satellite dishes has allowed language program broadcast through medium. There also are numerous ways to learn a language effectively through distance learning, such as CD-ROM technology, computer programs, or online curriculum sites. YouTube was created in 2004. The launch of YouTube with the Internet has made any foreign language materials accessible at any time. The combination of the overhead projectors, Internet, and YouTube has made the foreign language classes more enjoyable for both teachers and students. Clickers, which was invented in 2005, has also definitely shaped the evolution of teaching foreign languages. Radio frequencies, or RF signals, are sent from clickers to record responses, collect data, and provide feedback. Responses are collected and integrated with software such as PowerPoint, Acrobat, Keynote, and Word. Tablets were created in 2007. The launch of tablets has increased the availability of educational foreign language softwares or games for all generations. In opposition of computers, tablets are small, portable, with a touch screen. Silicon protections are also available for tablets, which decrease the risk of fall. Therefore, young children easily have access to tablets without any risk of breaking them. Mobile apps or mobile applications were created in 2013. It is likely the beginning of something new. Mobile apps are revolutionary. Anyone from any generation at any time can learn a foreign language with mobile educational foreign language apps. I myself teach English phonics to KG1 children. Mobile phonics apps are used at the end of phonics classes in order to reinforce the children's understanding of phonics in a way they enjoy it.